I am very happy to be here today at this very beautiful setting to exchange with the participants on the jurisprudence of the European Court of Human Rights on various matters. I see that the participants have a high level of knowledge, both on the convention and such and jurisprudence of the court. They have shown much interest in various topics that we have addressed today during the morning. The meetings like today are very important for us judges too, because we like to engage in dialogue with people on the ground who are in direct touch with the matters that concern the Convention and human rights in general. The justice no longer lives in ivory towers of the courts, rather it must be dispersed on the ground, and hereby we are in contact with vital forces of the society. So it's a two-way street. And I hope that also the participants of this event will have a feeling that they have many takeouts to bring home and to implement on the ground.